Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Forms, so sign into the account that created the form and open it. Once the form loads, go straight to the Responses tab at the top. This is where submissions accumulate and where you begin analysis. You do this because Responses consolidates summaries, individual answers, and export tools in one place. Make sure to confirm you're on the correct form before proceeding, since responses are tied to that specific form and cannot be merged automatically. Now inspect the data. Use Summary for charts, Question View to compare responses per item, and Individual View for submission-level review. Once done, click the green Sheets icon to create or link a spreadsheet. This keeps responses synced and enables filters, pivot tables, and formulas. Alternatively, open the three-dot menu and download responses as CSV if you need offline tools. You choose Sheets for live collaboration and CSV for one-off exports, so pick the option that matches your workflow. Finish by analyzing in Sheets. Apply filters, create pivot tables, and build charts to surface trends. These steps let you answer the why behind numbers. Once complete, share the spreadsheet or set form email notifications so you're alerted to new responses. If something goes wrong, check the obvious. Ensure you open the correct form, confirm the linked sheet exists and syncing is enabled, and verify account permissions. If responses still seem missing, refresh the form and sheet and retry the export or relink the spreadsheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.